Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, and studying at home daily what your teachers are teaching you from online classes, through online classes. I hope you all are attending the classes daily and doing your classwork daily and homework. Okay, so again I am here, your maths teacher, with the same chapter 3. Okay, and the topic that we do today is greater than. Okay, so one exercise is given in your book, so we will do that exercise today, and that exercise is given on page number 47. So first of all, take your maths book, your maths notebook and book, and get ready for writing part, because daily I told you that daily we do writing part. So open your notebook, open your books also, open page number 47 in your book and open new page in your notebook. Write today's date. What is the date today? That you have to write here on the left side of your notebook. Here write date, and the topic that we do today is given on page number 47. Page number 47. The topic that we are doing just now is given on this page 47. And what is the topic? What is the name of that topic? Greater than. Greater than. Greater than. Okay. So, have you written the date? Have you written the date? Now write this heading, greater than. Greater than. This is written, and in the bracket it is written 1 to 50. What is written? 1 to 50. This much you have to write as a heading, greater than and 1 to 50. This is the heading, today's topic that we are doing just now, and the questions that we will do is based on this. Okay, greater than. Already I have explained you the concept of greater than, less than and equal to. I have explained you. And what is the symbol of greater than? The symbol of greater than is like this. The mouth of crocodile. The crocodile always wants to eat which number? The crocodile mouth is open towards the greater number. Okay. Don't write this. Okay. Don't write this. Greater number. Always crocodile wants to eat greater number. Okay, so the mouth of crocodile is always open towards a bigger number, a greater number. Okay, so today we are going to do some exercise, some questions that is based on greater than. So only what you have to do, you have to write this heading, greater than 1 to 50. Write the heading, today's heading 1 to 50. Okay, all of you have written. So first I am going to explain you. Now only you have to listen. Okay, now you have to listen. Don't start writing. When I tell you to write, at that time you start writing, otherwise you just listen what I am explaining you. Okay, so see what is written here. See in your book, I am reading this part. So pay attention and look into your book. Hello, I am Jack. Hello, I am Jack. Save me from Mr. Giant by writing the bigger number in the left circle and the smaller number in the right circle for each option. Okay, again I am reading, so listen carefully. Hello, I am Jack. See, one picture is given here. Have you seen this picture? दिख रही है आपको ये picture? Now identify who is Jack in this picture and who is Giant, Mr. Giant in this picture. who is Jack and who is Mr. Giant. You know who is Giant? So Jack is a little boy. Okay, this is a little boy. He is Jack, जिसको Giant ने अपने हाथ में पकड़ के रखा है. Okay, तो Jack क्या बोल रहा है? Jack बोल रहा है, Hello, I am Jack. Save me from Mr. Giant. Save मतलब बचाना. तो Jack क्या बोल रहा है कि आपको मुझे बचाना है. किससे बचाना है? मिस्टर जायंट से. कैसे सेव करना है? इट इज ऑल्सो रिटन देयर बाय राइटिंग अ बिगर नंबर इन द लेफ्ट सर्कल. ओके, सो मैनी क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन, सो मैनी नंबर्स आर गिवन. ओके, so what you have to do, you have to save a Jack by writing bigger number in the left circle. Okay, how we can save Jack? By writing bigger number in the left circle and smaller number in the right circle. Okay, in this way we can save a Jack. How can we save the Jack? By writing bigger number on the left circle and smaller number in the right circle. Okay, now write the question. I am writing the question on the board. So while I am writing on the board, what is your work? What is your job? You also ये चले क्यों गया? ब्लैक स्क्रीन हो गई. Okay, so write the question. I am writing here. No need to write question 1, only write question. Write W-R-I-T-E. Write the bigger B-I-G-G-E-R. Write the bigger number N-U-M-B-E-R number. Write the bigger number in the write the bigger number in the left circle, L-E-F-T, left circle, and smaller number in the right circle. Okay, so this is the question. Question is little bit longer, so I will give you time to write the whole question. So again I am reading the question for you once again, so write fast, and again I will explain you what is the question. So first you only write the question. Write the bigger number in the left circle and smaller number in the right circle. This is the question. Write the bigger number in the left circle and smaller number in the right circle. I hope you all have written the question, copied the question from the board. Now, first question A is already done for you. So, what is the question here? The two numbers that are given in the book are 1 to 12 and 2 1 21. Copy this question. What are the two numbers? 12 and 21. 12 and 21. Now what is the question? What we have to do? Now in this way it is given in your book. So you make two circles, and between these two circles make the sign of greater than. Make the sign of greater than. Okay. After writing the question, in the next line make two circles and between these two circles you have to make a sign of greater than symbol. You have to draw a symbol of greater than. So what is the question? Again I am explaining you the questions one again. What is the question? Write the bigger number in the left circle. That means you have to write a bigger number. You have to compare the two numbers. The number that is bigger among the two numbers you have to write in the left circle here, and a smaller number you have to write here in the right circle. Why we will write a bigger number here? Because the sign of greater than, the symbol of greater than is towards the left side. Okay, the symbol of greater than facing towards the left side. That's why we are writing the bigger number in this circle. If the symbol is like this, then what we will do? We will write here smaller number and here greater number. But in our textbook, all the symbols are facing this side. That means we have to write a greater number this side and smaller number this side. Now identify which number is greater and which number is smaller. So this is 1 to 12 and this is 2 1 21. So which number is greater, 12 or 21? 21 is greater. So we will write here 2 1 21 and in this circle we write 1 to 12. Okay, have you understood the question? You have understood? Here in the right hand side of a circle we have written larger number, the greater number or bigger number. Okay, and the left side of right side of a circle we have written smaller number. Okay, so copy this question. This question is already done in your textbook. Now we will solve rest of the questions. I hope you have written. Now I am rubbing the board and again I am writing from B. Okay. Now the B part, the question B, the numbers that are given in question B are 4 5 45, 4 5 45 and 3 6 36. These two numbers are given. So draw one circle here, make a sign of symbol of greater than and again draw one circle here. First write the question B and copy the two numbers that are given there, 4 5 45, then put small comma, then again write the next number 3 6 36. Okay, now identify which number is bigger. The two numbers are 45 and 36. So between 45 and 36, which number is greater? Which number is bigger? 45 is bigger. So we will write 45 in the first left side of a circle and the 36 will come in right side of a circle. So 45 is greater than 36. Number 4 5 45 is greater than number 3 6 36. Copy this question. Now the next question. What are the numbers written there? 40. And how do we read this number as? 40, 40 and the another number is 50. 50, 50. 40, 40 and 50, 50. These two numbers are given. Now again draw one circle here. Make a sign of greater than. Then draw the another circle. Now what is the first step? That we have to identify the bigger number. So which number is bigger? Among 40 and 50? 50 is bigger number. So where do we write 50? We will write 50 in this column, this circle, and 40 we will write in this circle, right hand side circle. Okay. So 50 is greater than 40. 50 is greater than 40. Copy the third question, C from the board. think of it. Now see the next question, D. What are the numbers given? 2, 5, 25, and another number is 2, 3, 23. What are the numbers given? 2, 5, 25 and 2, 3, 23. So again draw one circle, then draw a sign of greater than, then draw another circle. Okay. 2, 5, 25 and 2, 3, 23. So we have to identify the greater number, bigger number. So which number is bigger, 25 or 23? Which number is bigger? 2, 5, 25 is bigger number. So write 2, 5, 25 this side, and where you have to write 2, 3, 23? Here, this side. Okay, 2, 5, 25 is greater than 2, 3, 23. So copy question number D from the board. Okay, so you have space in your copy, so you continue writing. Just below it, I am writing the equation this side because here I don't have space. Now the next question, E. What are the numbers given there? 4 to 42, and another number is 2, 4, 24. What are the two numbers? Two numbers are 4 to 42 and 2, 4, 24. Just opposite numbers are given. 4 to 42 and opposite of 4 to 42 is 2, 4, 24. Now draw the circle, then draw sign of greater than, then draw another circle. Now identify which is the greater number, which is the bigger number between 42 and 24. The greater number is 4 to 42. So we will write 4 to 42 in this circle, left side of a circle, and another number, that is 24. So we will write 24 in the right side. And how do we read this as? 42 is greater than 24. 4 to 42 is greater than 24. Okay, the next question, F. So what are the numbers written there? 1, 8, 18 and 2, 8, 28. These two numbers are given. Again read the numbers, 1, 8, 18 and 2, 8, 28. Now draw the circle, then draw a symbol of greater than, then draw another symbol. Now identify the bigger number. Identify the bigger number. Which number is bigger among 18 and 28? Which number is bigger? 18 is bigger than 28. Yes? No? Then which number is bigger? 28. So write here 28 in the left circle and write 18 in the right circle. And how do we read this as? 28 is greater than 18. 28 is greater than 18. So copy this question. Now the next question, G. Numbers are 4, 7, 47 and 3, 7, 37. These two numbers are given. Now draw a circle, then make a sign of, make a symbol of greater than, then draw another circle. So what are the numbers given? 4, 7, 47 and 3, 7, 37. Two numbers are 4, 7, 47 and 3, 7, 37. So what we have to identify? We have to identify a bigger number, greater number among 47 and 37. So which number is greater? Which number is bigger? Number 47 is greater number. Number 47 is bigger number. So we have to write 4, 7, 47 in the left circle and the another number, that is 37, in the right circle. Okay. So how do we read this? We read it as 47 is greater than 37. 47 is greater than 37. Okay. So copy this. Two questions are remaining. H and I. H. So what are the numbers given there? 2, 9, 29 and 19, 90. Two numbers are 2, 9, 29 and 19, 90. So draw a circle, then symbol of greater than, draw another circle. Now compare which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So 2, 9, 29 and 19, 90. Which is bigger number? Which is bigger number? 2, 9, 29 is bigger and 19 is smaller. So we have to write bigger number in left circle and smaller number in right circle. And read this statement. 29 is greater than 90. 29 is greater than 90. Now the last question, I. Numbers are 3, 5, 35 and 2, 5, 25. What are the numbers given? 3, 5, 35 and 2, 5, 25. Again draw one circle, then a symbol of greater than, then draw another circle. So what we have to do? We have to identify the greater number. So identify which number is greater, which number is bigger between 35 and 25. So 35 is bigger number. So write 35 in the left circle and write 25 in right circle. And how do we read this statement as? 35 is greater than 25. 35 is greater than 25. So here I am writing some homework questions. Okay, no need to write the question again because question is common. Only you have to copy the question, homework question after the questions that we have done. Okay, so write one and copy the homework question, and same thing you have to do. You have to write bigger number in the left circle and smaller number in the right circle. Okay, so write the numbers. 9, 6, 96, 6, 9, 69. Second, 3, 5, 35 and 3, 8, 38. Write the third question. 1, 1, 11, 1 question, 10 and 100, and the last question 50. Fifth question is 444 and 5555. So these questions are the 5 homework question. Same thing you have to do. You have to identify the bigger number and write that bigger number in the left circle and smaller number in the right circle. Okay. So here we have completed this topic, that is greater than. Now the next topic is greater than, less than and equals to. The concept I have already explained you, and this topic we will do in a next lecture. Okay, so you do this homework. Okay, and I hope all of you are doing the homework. Daily I am giving you some homeworks, but only few students sending me. Okay, so those who are doing the homework, but all students do the homework, and at least send me the picture that you have done the homework. Okay, so have a nice day. Good day.